The first step to actually run a ForrestJS application is to install two dependencies. The first dependency is ForrestJS core, which is the base module that will actually put together all the services and features, and Nodemon, which is a command line utility for Node.js that will simply rerun our project every time we change something in the source code, which is super useful to run Node.js projects, just generic Node.js projects. So first step, we can add ForrestJS core. This is going to become a project dependency, and then we can add npm add with capital D Nodemon, and now this is going to become a development dependency. We can clearly see this in our package.json, where we have the dependencies and we have the dev dependencies.